How to log into Youcut? Wondering how to log into Youcut? Here's the thing. Youcut does not have a login system at all. There's no profile or sign-in page. You just open the app and start editing right away. It keeps things super fast and beginner-friendly. All your projects are saved within your phone, so you don't need to remember any password. If you are switching phones and want to keep your edits, manually export the projects and save them to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Have you ever lost edits by switching app? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.